Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. Today, we will be going over basic guidelines for installing the Arnott design new front air strut for the Ram 1500 DS. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a safe and effective replacement. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Remove the applicable front wheel and loosen and remove the tie rod and nut. Make sure to refer to the service manual for proper deflation procedures. Loosen and remove the two sway bar end link nuts. Now loosen and remove the upper control arm nut and the nut and bolt from the bottom strut fork. Continue the removal process by loosening and removing the air fitting from the top of the strut. Then loosen and remove the three top strut mounting nuts. Now that everything is detached, you can remove the air strut from the vehicle. Start the installation by installing the new air strut into the vehicle and tightening the three top strut mounting nuts. Make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Now, remove the white shipping pin from the air strut and discard it. Next, remove the existing airline elbow and install the new elbow onto the airline. Install the airline until it is fully seated, pulling it outward slightly to confirm engagement. Then install the upper control arm nut. Now reinstall the strut's bottom nut and bolt. The next step is to reinstall the two sway bar end link nuts. The final steps in completing the installation are to reinstall the tie rod end nut and the applicable front wheel. Refer to the service manual for the proper inflation procedure and lower the vehicle. Thank you for following our guide on replacing the front air strut with an Arnott part. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.